What if I told you that being a part-time worker in Jamaica does not mean having part-time rights? Too many workers are told, you're part-time, so the rules don't apply to you. Let's clear that up. What rights part-time workers in Jamaica actually have under the law? Who is a part-time worker? A part-time worker is someone who works fewer hours than a full-time employee, is still paid wages or salary, has a regular work arrangement. It is important to note that fewer hours does not mean fewer rights. Here are your rights. Right number 1, the right to minimum wage. Part-time workers are still entitled to the minimum wage. The minimum wage is $16,000 per 40-hour week, which equals to $400 per hour. If you work part-time, your pay should be calculated hourly. You should never be paid less than $400 per hour. For example, if you work 20 hours per week, your pay should equal 20 hours times $400 equals $8,000. Right number 2, the right to fair pay for hours worked. Your employer must pay you for every hour worked. Pay agreed overtime if you work beyond your scheduled hours. Not change your rate without agreement. Remember that every hour counts. Right number 3, the right to fair treatment. Being part-time does not allow employers to treat you unfairly, dismiss you without reason, harass or discriminate against you. It is important for employers to understand that fair treatment applies to everyone. Right number 4, the right to notice or pay in lieu. If your part-time job ends, you are usually entitled to notice before termination or pay instead of notice. It is important as working part-time still means that notice matters. Right number 5, the right to proof of employment. Even if you're part-time, you are entitled to a payslip or pay breakdown, clear information about your hours and pay, written or documented terms where possible. Not getting a payslip is a red flag. What part-time workers often miss? Many part-time workers don't realize you can challenge unfair dismissal. You can file a complaint with the Ministry of Labor. You don't need to be full-time to have protection. Being part-time does not make you disposable. Your rights come from the law, not from how many hours you work. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share so more Jamaican workers know their rights, full-time or part-time. Stay informed. Stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.